What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of TNS Talks. I'm your host, Keano Mestre. Let's get straight into today's episode. U.S. stocks fell in light trading and Treasuries tickered lower on Monday as investors focused on corporate results and prospects for faster policy tightening by the Federal Reserve. The S&P 500 fell to lows of the day, though volume remained muted at about 20% less than the 30-day average for this time of the day, and the tech-heavy NASDAQ 100 underperformed major benchmarks. One of the leading Ethereum software developers said the blockchain network's much-anticipated technical upgrade, known as the merge, will likely be completed a few months after June. The comment helps to establish a possible timeline for the completion after Ethereum passed a major test this Monday. Emirates unveiled plans to extend the airline's use of the Metaverse and NFTs, a plan intended to boost revenue and improve customer service. Emirates NFTs are said to be both a collectible and utility-based, according to a statement on Thursday. SEC cyber rules promise accountability at all levels. Public companies are supposed to let investors know when they have been hit by cyber attacks, according to the guidance by the U.S. Securities Exchange Commission. The SEC issued a series of proposals that would require public companies to report on material cyber incidents within 4 days of discovery and report on other cyber-related issues as well. If you are a Marvel fan like I am, it is a very good day for you. It's been nearly 3 years, but Thor will finally make its return to the big screen in its fourth feature film, Thor: Love and Thunder, on July 8th, 2022. And as always, thank you for watching another episode of Fast 5, brought to you by Total Network Services, where we seek to make everything simple, standardized, and secure by seamlessly transitioning the digital world into the blockchain economy.